Hi, my name is Claudia. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm here today to let you know of what's going to happen in December on my channel. How do you feel about Advent calendars? I'm talking about the Advent calendar that's going to add to your Christmas table. Every day in the month of December, I will be posting a recipe. Most of them will be Portuguese Christmas recipes from my Christmas table. So every week we'll have 2 appetizers, a main meal, 2 desserts, and then a little extra on the weekend with some cakes and cookies. All from my Portuguese background, but also some German sprinkled in. So if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe and hit the notification button because you don't want to miss out on any of these recipes starting tomorrow until December 24th. So I'll see you tomorrow for the first recipe, bolo rei.